Hey people, since I had set up this channel to speak about things that are very close to me, I have to say this very bizarre thing that happened. Yeah, like I mean bizarre as in just a few days ago, I woke up at like 4:30 in the morning, and like I looked at the time, it was 4:30. Like through my sleepy, groggy eyes, I saw it was 4:30, and then it's still dark and all, so I just continued to sleep. When I fell asleep, I saw this whole dream. Like basically, I had gone somewhere, and it was like a long dream. Okay, I don't even remember exactly what the dream was, but it was very long. But then again, when I opened my eyes and saw the time, it was 4:31. I mean, like that means that entire dream where I seem to have traveled somewhere and there was a big journey, and it was like a long dream. It felt like hours was actually only 1 minute long from the Earth time point of view. I mean, the only explanation I can give is mm, like Albert Einstein would say, time is the biggest illusion there is. I mean, I feel for that time, for that brief period, I mean, in fact, what happens is when most of us dream, it's like we go across to another dimension, yeah, where there are different laws of time. Like, um, soon after losing my mom, also, I would keep seeing her in my dreams, and like when she was alive, every weekend is when I would come over to my parents' place to spend the time, so that they play with their grandchild. And so that was how that was the routine. So after my mom passed away, when I'd see her in my dreams also, it would be, I don't know how long the dream, but I remember thinking at the start of the dream that, oh my god, so now this is going to be long because this will be an entire weekend with mummy. I mean, in a span of, I don't know, I don't think dreams last 2 3 hours also, but I would just get that very definite sense of this is an entire weekend I'm spending with her, there are alternate realities, yeah. There are other dimensions where the time itself is different, no, because this is so interesting. You all should check out this YouTuber Praveen Mohan. Yeah, what videos he's able to put up. Yeah, I mean, apparently he's YouTube is might no, he speaks about these mystical, esoteric, I mean, these things that they like apparently there's been a 800% increase of UFO sightings since this lockdown. Maybe because the pollution has come down, or maybe UFOs also are confused, what are we doing here on earth. But apparently, and real people from across India have sent Mr. Praveen Mohan recordings that they've taken from their terrace, so it'll give you goosebumps. So just check out his channel, yeah, Praveen Mohan. And apparently YouTube is trying, they, any kind of slightly controversial thing also YouTube likes to ban. So apparently there was a kind of ban imposed on him because he has like so many lakh subscribers, and like I mean so many thousands of subscribers, and his videos are very, and so many lakh views. So his videos are popular. But so that's what, these are things that they almost play with your mind, right? That UFOs and alternate realities, and different time zones. I mean, we know that America has a different time zone, but if I tell you that there's another dimension where the time zone is different, we'll be like, what? How it doesn't make sense? But these things make sense, yeah. So you all need to check out Mr. Praveen Mohan's channel to know what I'm speaking about. This is, of all the videos I made since the lockdown, this is the most, I don't know, eerie, but it is mind bending information. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.